Today, we're going to explore the Dell P5525QC Monitor. This monitor is meant for video conferencing needs and has an active matrix TFT LCD with LED backlight. The monitor can be effortlessly integrated with a Dell OptiPlex Micro. This monitor features built-in speakers. It offers extensive computer-focused connectivity, including USB-C with 90-watt power delivery, DisplayPort out for dual display daisy chain, HDMI ports, and RJ45 for Ethernet connection. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to unbox and configure your Dell P5525QC monitor. To begin, release the cardboard tabs and open the box. Remove the accessory box from its slot in the packaging. Open it to locate the product documents required for setup, and set the box aside for later. Remove the OptiPlex holder from its slot in the packaging and set it aside for later. Pinch the release tabs on the plastic securing clips and remove the clips from each side of the box. Lift and take off all the cardboard packaging from the monitor. Partially remove the protective foam from the monitor. Now attach the mounting brackets to the back of the monitor and secure it with screws. Next, remove the protective cardboard from the package. Lift the monitor holding it steady on both sides from the bottom. Mount the monitor by aligning the mounting bracket hooks on the monitor with the metal bars on the cart stand. Peel a sticker that is stuck onto the Dell OptiPlex slot. Align the edges of the Dell OptiPlex holder with the slot on the back of the monitor and slide it into place. Now take the cables and remote out of the accessory box. Your accessory box includes a power cable for the monitor, a power cable for an OptiPlex computer, HDMI cable, DisplayPort cable, USB-C cable and USB 3.2 upstream cable, remote control and 2 AA batteries, the safety, environmental, and regulatory information, and quick start guide. Connect the power cable to the monitor. Next, we will show you how to set up your monitor with a laptop or a Dell OptiPlex Micro. To set up your monitor with a laptop, connect the USB, DisplayPort, or HDMI cables to your monitor and route the cable through the routing guide. Connect the power cable of the monitor to the power outlet. Then connect the other end of the USB-C, DisplayPort, or HDMI cable to your laptop. Open the cover on the remote and install the batteries. Press the power button on the remote to turn on the monitor, and then ensure you choose the appropriate input source. To set up the monitor with a Dell OptiPlex Micro, slide and remove the OptiPlex holder from the monitor. Now, remove the front cover on the OptiPlex holder. Then, remove the screw. Insert the Dell OptiPlex Micro into its slot on the holder and install the screw to hold it in place. Now remove the adapter compartment cover from the holder. Connect the Dell OptiPlex power cable from the accessory box to the power adapter. Place the adapter into the adapter compartment and route the cables through the cable management hooks inside the Dell OptiPlex holder, and then connect it to the OptiPlex Micro and replace the cover. Route the other end of the cable through the slot. Connect the DisplayPort cable to the Dell OptiPlex Micro. Wind up the cable and place it into the cable compartment, securing it with the routing hooks. Then insert the other end through the slot. Connect the USB 3.2 upstream cable to the Dell OptiPlex Micro. Wind up the cable and place it into the cable compartment, securing it with the routing hooks. Then, insert the other end through the slot. Slide the Dell OptiPlex holder into the slot on the monitor. Raise the antenna on the Dell OptiPlex Micro. Now connect the other end of the power adapter cable to the monitor. Connect both the display port and USB 3.2 upstream cable to the ports on the monitor. Finally, press the power adapter to turn on the Dell OptiPlex Micro, and then use the remote to turn on the monitor. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.